Welcome to the 5th day, second week of this content creation class. I hope you watched the day 4 video on this content creation class. If you did, I trust you've learned a lot so far. Now, in this day 5, we'll be talking about visual content creation. Now, some of you that don't love showing your face, this is the aspect you really need to listen very carefully. Some of you, you are camera shy. Some of you don't want people to see your face. Some of you will say, I'm very shy, this and that. So I'm going to be telling you the importance of visual content. What are visual content? Like video, something you need to show your face. Is that okay? So pay attention and let's go straight to the topic of the day. Creating visual content or video content, it actually plays an important role when it comes to content creation. It actually makes your content more engaging and memorable. When I see your video, I see the way you smile. I wonder, wow, I want to watch your next video. Is that okay? So it is very important you create visual videos. I'm going to break it down for you how impactful visual content really are when it comes to content creation. Number one importance of visual content is it grabs attention. Now, people actually prefer seeing something than text. So some persons actually process visual content than written content. Like someone like me, I love it when I'm seeing you doing something. I learn very fast when I'm seeing you. That's why you see that even on this training, I'm not even introducing you to read a book or read this or read that. No, because I believe when you are seeing it, when you are seeing me demonstrating it, you learn very fast, because if you see me do it, you are going to practicalize it. So it actually processes very fast than writing content. It enhances understanding. Visual content enhance understanding. Now people understand easily. The way you see me speak now, as I'm even talking to you now, you understand what I'm saying because you can hear me say it. I break it down and I explain it down for you. So visual content, it is easy to understand. It boosts engagement, because when I'm speaking, I'll be asking you, if you know you want to do this, do this. I'll go to the comment section, do this. You will do it. But if you are seeing it on the comment section, but if you are seeing it on a text content, how will you go to the comment section and do something like that? So visual content, it boosts engagement. It actually engages your audience. So please start creating visual content today. Some of you that are shy, I kill every spirit of shyness in Jesus' name and start showing your face. It increases retention. It makes visual content actually make your content more memorable. So when someone watch your video, it makes them, okay, they want to start thinking about what you've taught them. And it is very easy for them to memorize it. It is very easy for them to remember what you've taught them. It helps them recall your message longer than written content. So I want you from this day, kill the spirit of shyness. Tell yourself, I can do it. I used to be a chronic introvert. I used to be a chronic shy guy. But when I discovered that if I want to become a content creator, then I need to be able to face the camera just like what I'm doing right now. So kill that shyness and start creating visual contents. When it comes to content creation, there are some basic graphic tools you need to use when you want to edit your contents. You can use either Canva, you can use Adobe, you can use CorelDRAW, you can use Postmywall. Now, Canva and Postmywall are for people that don't really have that graphic knowledge. You don't have CorelDRAW, you don't have Photoshop, or you don't have the knowledge. So you want other platform where you can easily create your graphics for your content. So there are already made templates for you like Canva and Postmywall. Now, Postmywall here, they have already made graphic templates that all you need to do is just to go to their website, create an account with them, and demonstrate and carry out your design. All you need to do is go to postmywall.com, choose what you want to design. It can be maybe YouTube thumbnail or TikTok thumbnail. Just search for it. You are going to see already made templates that you can make use of. All you need to do is just to click on any template of your choice and edit it. So you can use this to create any designs, any graphics. When it comes to graphics, Canva and Postmywall is the right choice for you if you don't have knowledge on graphic design. You can as well use this to create thumbnails, your social media graphics, etc. Like thumbnails. What is thumbnails? Thumbnails is just like that graphic cover that covers your video. Someone is going to see it before they click your video, just like what you are seeing now. This is example of thumbnail. So thumbnail actually plays an important role when it comes to your content, whether your TikTok, Facebook, IG, and YT. It actually introduces people to your video even before they watch your video. Thumbnails contain the topic of your video, and as well you can actually put your image, just like what you are seeing here. It can contain your images. Is that okay? If you don't know how to create thumbnails, it's very important. Just go to my video or click on this very video here and learn how to create thumbnails. When it comes to video content creation, what are the best practices? What are the steps? What do you need to carry out? What step should you follow in order to make your content very easy, in order to make your creation very easy for you? Number one thing you need to do is to plan your content. Now, you need to outline your video purpose. What is the purpose of this content you want to create? What topic do you want to create this content on? Who are your audience? What is the message that I want to pass? These are the things you need to talk about before you start filming. So don't just carry your camera and start filming. No, plan your content. Number two, use quality equipment. Yes, I know this is where some of you will say, I don't have good camera. I don't have good camera. I don't have light. I don't have mic. It is not an excuse, because you know why? If you don't have light, your window, open the curtain of your window. You see that natural light that is coming is even more important than this artificial light we are using. If you don't have money to buy mic, go and use your earpiece. If you don't have a good background, shoot anywhere. If you don't have a good background, shoot anywhere. Then edit your videos. Choose AI background and use it to cover your background. So you see this year 2025, there is no more excuse. Don't say, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't. No. But if you have the money to buy good equipment, please buy good equipment. You can buy ring light. You can buy tripod stand and use it to shoot your videos. Keep your content short and sweet. You can aim at 1 to 2 minutes if you want to create social media content. 1 to 2 minutes is okay. The only time I would advise you to create maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minute video is when you are creating for YouTube long videos. Maybe you want to train people on a session, you want to teach about something, fine. When it comes to TikTok, Facebook, IG, 1 minute, at least 2 minutes is okay. Don't go above 5 minutes. No, it will be boring. People won't even watch it to the end. Now, add chapters to your content. Add chapters to your videos. Always make your videos accessible and very engaging. Even without sound, you can make it very engaging and very, interesting. All you need to do is add chapters to them. Now, don't just shoot your content and post them like that. Edit them professionally. You can use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora. Edit your videos, because it is editing that will actually bring your videos cool. Now, this video you are watching, if I show you the raw video, you will see that it is black and it's not very sweet. But after editing, I came up with this very visual you are seeing. So edit your videos. If you don't know how to edit your videos, go through my videos and watch some of my editing videos and make sure you edit your videos. Whenever you shoot your videos, edit them. Don't just post them like that. Now, if you follow all these tips that I've just mentioned, you'll be able to create great content that not only look great, but also enhance the impact of your message. So please put all this into practice. I hope you found value in this very teaching today. If you do, smash the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification. Go to the comment section, drop a comment. It is your comment that will make me to create more videos like this. So drop comment, please. Share this video. Let other people get to see this video. And I will see you in the next class.